Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and install Schedule I on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then click on the search bar, type Steam, and press the Enter key. From the search results, click on the official Steam website. Once the Steam website opens, click on the search bar at the top of the page. Now type Schedule I and select the game from the drop-down menu when it appears. The games page will open. Here, scroll down and check the system requirements to make sure your PC can run the game properly. After reviewing the requirements, scroll back to the top of the page. Now click on the Add to Cart button. Once the game has been added to your cart, click on View Cart to review your purchase. On the next page, click on Continue to Payment. A sign-in window will appear. Sign into your Steam account. If you don't have a Steam account yet, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, complete the payment process. Once the purchase is successful, the game will be added to your Steam library. From your library, click on Install to begin downloading the game. After the installation is complete, you can launch the game and start playing. And that's it. This is how you can download and install Schedule I on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.